and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Education Minister assures proper implementation of midday meal scheme, promises regularization of contract computer teachers by 2011. Manohar Parrikar says people have doubt about the credibility of university entrance exam, demands correction in history textbooks. All India Catholic Union rejects government intervention in religion. Opposition exposes gross police negligence in conducting Visera test of Dipali Jodhkar. Ravi assures to take action against responsible PSI. Goan cricketers to undergo pre-season camp in Bangalore. Injured Swapnil Asnodkar out of equation. Coach Rajesh Kamath looking forward to intensive. Hockey Goa plans to start Senior Hockey League by October. Now the news in detail. Education Minister Attanasio Montserrat assured the House to provide computers for 11th and 12th standard students at the earliest. He promised the House to regularize 527 contract computer teachers and proper implementation of midday meal scheme. Montserrat assured to renovate all government schools with adequate facilities.
The Department of Education could not provide the personal computers during the academic year 2008-2009 to the students of Standard 11 due to certain administrative difficulties. However, students of both 11th and 12th will be provided computers at the earliest. The Goa University Computer Science Department was requested to design the course and conduct the said course in 2 years. Presently, these teachers are undergoing the PGD CET course conducted by Goa University and will be completing it by 2011. It is a specialized qualification where in only these 527 computer teachers are undergoing the course as per their job qualification. No other will have this opportunity. The Director of Education is making all efforts to regularize these computer teachers who are working on contract basis under the contractors in the CLP. So as far as midday meal, I would like to assure the members that we are taking adequate care where there is a proper supply and where quality and quantity is maintained.
One more suggestion put forward by Mr. Tarwatkar is a very good suggestion, because many of the students, when they pass SSC or some people fail at the 8th standard or so, they don't know what profession or what direction they should take. So counseling is very, very, very important.
No, I think there should be actually a counseling teacher in each school. Actually, I think we should appoint a counseling teacher.
Counseling.
We will look into that, Speaker sir. I promise this August House that the government schools will be equipped with adequate furniture shortly. Pre-primary school registration. The public notice will appear in tomorrow's newspaper for the registration of pre-primary schools has already been issued. The norms for registration has been prepared and the same are available in the Education Department. We plan, in fact, of banning actually mushrooming of this pre-primary schools. Norms were not prepared before the registration. Actually, it was correct. I think government should have prepared the norms and the registration simultaneously. So the norms will be prepared, and I think whoever doesn't fit in these norms, because I think the infrastructure, the most important thing is the infrastructure that it is necessary to open any school. And whoever doesn't fit in these norms, I think those schools should be closed down.
A senior reporter Rakesh Kandolkar with Paresh Parab and video journalist Yashwant Parab for Prudent Media.
Manohar Parrikar claimed that some people say that the entrance tests at Goa University are manipulated. He also urged the Education Department for necessary corrections in history textbook.
Local तांचे जितले कोर्स आहा टोटली कितल्या ABCD पासून T पर्यंत आसा आनी मागीर हांगा ABC A to T जितले आसा ताका युनिवर्सिटीची परीक्षा पुरो जाता, कारण ताका जाय इतले भुरगे नासता. थंय ते कसले एंट्रन्स काय घेना. म्हाका दिसता थंय एंट्रन्स घेत जाल्यार कोणी येवचो ना अशें भंय आसा आमकां. पण ज्या जाग्यार डिमांड आसता, चड गर्दी आसता, थंय एंट्रन्स टेस्ट घेता आनी एंट्रन्स टेस्टाचे मार्क 50% आनी 50% मार्क युनिवर्सिटी एग्जामीचे. म्हाका एक गजाल समजना, तुमी तुमच्याच भुरग्यांक एडमिशन दिता, तुमचेच BSc एग्जाम आसता, तुमच्याच BSc एग्जामीचे मार्क तुमकां कन्सिडर करून एडमिशन दिवपाक कितें जाला? नाजाल्यार 100% रे इंट्रस्टाचेर का? लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर कंप्लेनिंग दॅट द टॉप स्टुडंट्स आर लेफ्ट बिहायंड बिकॉज ऑफ दीस एंट्रन्स टेस्ट, बिकॉज द एंट्रन्स टेस्ट इज एन मॅन्युपुलेटिव्ह एक्टिविटी, अशी खूब जाणांची तक्रार आहा. जो पर्यंत आमी आमच्या पुस्तकांचेर प्रत्यक्षान इतिहासाची पुस्तकां गोंयच्या शिक्षणान सारकी जो पर्यंत करिनात, तो पर्यंत गोंयान जे पळय एक अबावट बिलॉंगिंगनेस फिलींग जे आसता, भुरग्यांक दिसता की आपणें कितें तरी करूंक जाय गोंया खातीर, एक राष्ट्रभक्तीची भावना जी आसता, एक देशभक्तीची भावना आसता, गोंयच्या बद्दल बरी भावना आसता, ही निर्माण जावंक शकना. Science can change with time and as discoveries go, but history doesn't change. So there is no need to go on tinkling with the history books again and again. आणि म्हणून स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता गोवा गव्हर्मेंटान एक निर्णय घेवपाचो गरज आसा की इतिहासाची पुस्तकां ही थोडी फार टचअप केली जाल्यार जाता, पण दर 5-10 वर्सांनी ती हीच रड परत परत अगेन एंड अगेन. वाय डू यू चेंज हिस्ट्री बुक्स? आय डोंट सी वाय डू यू चेंज ऑल्सो, for that matter, many times language books, some corrections, some additions may be required, but total change हो कॉन्सेप्ट म्हाका दिसता हिस्ट्रीच्या बाबतींत तरी व्हडलोसो उपयोगी ना, आनी ताजेर मिनिस्ट्रान लक्ष घालण्याची गरज आसा.
Our senior reporter Rakesh Kandulkar, Greta Menezes with video journalist Yashwant Parab. All India Catholic Union has rejected any government's intervention in religion and in church affairs. They have also refused any interference in the internal matter of community. They have clarified that the laws of the land are sufficient to check any irregularity.
The Christian community rejects any government intervention in religion in particular and in the affairs of the Christian church, which includes the Catholic Church, and our community, its properties, its institutions, its laws. Transparency is desirable, all of us work towards it. It is internal to the church at one level, and it is open to the existing laws of the land.
All India Catholic Union was taken aback by the suggestions in the media for government control on church and community properties. All India Catholic Union has rejected all government control on church and community properties.
There is no way we can tolerate, much less welcome, any church intervention. The only thing we want from the church is to, from the state and the government, is to honor its commitments to the freedom of faith in India, which is so for Muslims, Hindus, Sikhs and Christians, Parsis and Jains, as well as Buddhists. No more, no less. But any intervention of the government in any internal affairs of the church, Catholic or Protestant, issues of property, management of institutions, running of the faith, relationship between one and the other, we just cannot tolerate. We have 60 years of harsh experience. We've experienced how the freedoms guaranteed to us under Article 26 and Article 30 have been diluted by government interference.
Member of National Integration Council of India, Dr. John Dayal mentioned that the church is responsible to the community at large, obedient to the law of the land and above all answerable to a higher power. He said that government intervention can throttle the critical freedom of the church.
No law, although the Catholic Church is guided by the canon law is law for us, but no law in India is above the law of the land. If there's a priest or a bishop or John Dayal who has been found to be philandering with church property, alienating church property, who is stealing from the parish collection box, the laws of the land, the Indian Penal Code, the so-called section 420, 420, many other sections including 120B are applicable. Such a person can go to jail.
Our reporter in Panji, Devidas Kamli with video journalist Ravindra Dadvi. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned for more news from Assembly and Vasco City under Robert's spell. Stay tuned.